to get a refund on Eway. First, you want to go to your browser. After that, you want to tap on the search bar and search for Eway refund policy. For Eway return policy, and you want to scroll down and you'll be able to see an option called returns and exchange on the official Eway website. Simply tap on it, and here you can read all the return policy, your return form, and return and items and exchange and item options over here. You want to simply read all of this if you want, and this might even answer you most of the, and if you have any kinds of questions, you might find your answers over here as well. However, if you just want to contact the support team, you can simply tap on these three bars over here and simply tap on legal and policies, and you want to scroll down and tap on help center feedback. After that, here you'll see the official email of the Eway application, and here you want to type it out all your problem and make an appeal about refund. After that, you want to attach all the details. After that, you want to also mention all the details about your purchases and if your appeal is valid, you'll be able to get a refund as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.